Hey everyone, and welcome back to VueX. Are you ready for an awesome adventure? Today we're going to the Great White North, Canada. This country is full of surprises, from beautiful mountains and glaciers to cool cities and friendly people. We'll explore 5 amazing road trips that will make you want to pack your bags right now. So, grab your snacks, get comfy, and let's explore Canada together, folks. First stop, Nova Scotia on the East Coast. Get ready for the Cabot Trail, a road that winds along the ocean with breathtaking views. Imagine driving with the blue Atlantic Ocean on one side and lush green forests on the other. You'll want to take pictures everywhere you go, especially in Cape Breton Highlands National Park, where cliffs meet the ocean and the fall colors are like a painting. And hey, keep an eye out for moose. They love hanging out near the road, just a heads up. Nova Scotia's weather can be a bit unpredictable. It might be sunny one minute and foggy the next, so pack for all kinds of weather. Oh, and don't forget to try a lobster roll. They're super yummy. To see everything on the Cabot Trail, plan for at least 3 to 5 days. You'll have time to hike, listen to some cool Celtic music, and chat with the locals. They're super friendly and might even tell you about some secret spots. Next, we're going west to Alberta, home to the amazing Canadian Rockies and the Icefields Parkway. Get ready for huge mountains, bright blue lakes, and glaciers that go on forever. You might even feel like singing from the mountaintops. The Columbia Icefield is a must-see on this trip. It's one of the biggest ice fields in the world, and you can actually walk on it. Well, you'll be walking on the Athabasca Glacier, which is part of the icefield, but still super cool, right? Just remember, driving on the Icefields Parkway in winter can be tricky. Make sure your car is ready for snowy and icy roads and check the road conditions before you go. And pack your warmest clothes because it gets super cold up in the mountains. But trust me, seeing the Icefields Parkway in winter is magical. Imagine snow-covered mountains, frozen waterfalls, and maybe even some elk or bighorn sheep. It's an experience you won't forget. Chapter 3. Sea to Sky Highway, British Columbia, from cityscapes to mountain escapes. Let's head to British Columbia and drive the Sea to Sky Highway, one of the most scenic routes in the world. This highway stretches from the bustling city of Vancouver to the serene and picturesque town of Whistler, offering a journey filled with breathtaking landscapes and unforgettable experiences. This road trip takes you from the exciting city of Vancouver, known for its vibrant culture and stunning waterfront, to Whistler, a famous ski town that transforms into a hub of outdoor activities all year round. Whether you're an adventure seeker or someone who loves to relax in nature, this route has something for everyone. The views along the way are incredible. As you drive, you'll be treated to panoramic vistas of the Pacific Ocean, lush forests, and towering mountains. Each turn of the road reveals a new and awe-inspiring scene, making it hard to keep your eyes on the road. As you leave Vancouver, you'll see huge evergreen forests that seem to stretch endlessly, sparkling blue lakes that reflect the sky like mirrors, and the impressive coast mountains in the distance, their peaks often capped with snow even in the warmer months. The coast mountains are a sight to behold, with their rugged beauty and majestic presence. They form a stunning backdrop to your journey, reminding you of the raw and untamed nature of this region. Don't miss Shannon Falls Provincial Park, where you can see one of British Columbia's tallest waterfalls. The falls cascade down from a height of 335 meters, creating a mesmerizing display of nature's power and beauty. It's a perfect spot to take a break and soak in the natural splendor. It's like something out of a storybook. The sound of the water crashing down, the cool mist in the air, and the lush greenery all around make it a magical experience. Whistler is like a winter wonderland, even if you don't ski or snowboard. You can go snowshoeing, ice skating, or simply enjoy the festive atmosphere that fills the village during the winter months. The town is alive with activities and events, ensuring there's never a dull moment. Or just relax by a fireplace with hot chocolate. There's something incredibly cozy about sitting by a roaring fire, sipping on a warm drink, and watching the snow fall outside. It's the perfect way to unwind after a day of exploring. Feeling adventurous? Try zip-lining through the forest. Whistler offers some of the best ziplining experiences, with lines that take you high above the treetops, giving you a bird's-eye view of the stunning landscape below. It's an adrenaline rush like no other. Or riding the Peak 2 Peak gondola for amazing mountain views. This engineering marvel connects Whistler and Blackcomb Mountains, offering unparalleled views of the surrounding peaks and valleys. It's a must-do for anyone visiting the area. Just a heads up, the Sea to Sky Highway can get crowded, especially during peak tourist seasons. The popularity of this route means that traffic can sometimes be heavy, so it's a good idea to plan your trip accordingly. If you want to avoid the crowds, try going in the spring or fall. These seasons offer milder weather and fewer tourists, allowing you to enjoy the beauty of the Sea to Sky Highway at a more relaxed pace, or driving early in the morning or late in the evening. The light during these times of day can be particularly beautiful, casting a golden glow over the landscape. It's worth it. So pack your bags, hit the road, and get ready for an unforgettable adventure from cityscapes to mountain escapes. Chapter 4: Viking Trail, Newfoundland. Journey to the Edge of the World. This chapter will take you on an unforgettable journey through one of the most remote and breathtaking regions of Canada. The Viking Trail is a route steeped in history, natural beauty, and adventure. From ancient Viking settlements to towering cliffs and pristine waters, this trail offers a unique blend of cultural heritage and stunning landscapes. Next up, we're going to Newfoundland for an adventure on the Viking Trail. This scenic drive will take you through some of the most picturesque landscapes in North America. As you travel along the coastline, you'll be treated to sweeping views of the Atlantic Ocean, rugged cliffs, and lush forests. The road itself is an adventure, winding through small towns and villages that offer a glimpse into the local way of life. Get ready for rugged coastlines, cute fishing villages, and a fascinating history. The Viking Trail is dotted with charming fishing villages where you can experience the local culture and hospitality. These villages are not just picturesque. They are living museums of Newfoundland's rich maritime heritage. You'll find historic buildings, traditional boats, and perhaps even a local festival or two. This trip is perfect for those who like things a little different. If you're tired of the usual tourist spots and crave something more adventurous, the Viking Trail is the place for you. It's an off-the-beaten-path destination that offers a sense of discovery and exploration. Whether you're hiking through untouched wilderness or exploring ancient ruins, every moment on this trail feels like a new adventure. Prepare to be amazed by Grosmorn National Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. This park is a geological wonder, featuring some of the oldest rocks on the planet. The landscape here is incredibly diverse, ranging from towering mountains to deep fjords and coastal lowlands. It's a paradise for nature lovers and outdoor enthusiasts, offering endless opportunities for hiking, kayaking, and wildlife watching. You can hike up ancient mountains, sail past towering cliffs, and maybe even see whales. Grosmorn is a haven for adventure seekers. The hiking trails here range from easy walks to challenging climbs, each offering spectacular views. If you prefer the water, you can take a boat tour to see the dramatic cliffs and perhaps spot some of the marine life that calls this area home, including whales, seals, and seabirds. Keep an eye out for icebergs, too. They float down from Greenland and are incredible to see. These massive chunks of ice are a sight to behold, especially when they catch the light and glow a brilliant blue. Iceberg watching is a popular activity in Newfoundland, and there are even tours that will take you up close to these natural wonders. It's a surreal experience that you won't want to miss. The Viking Trail is also home to Lance O Meadows, another UNESCO World Heritage Site. This archaeological site is the only known Norse settlement in North America, and offers a fascinating glimpse into the lives of the Vikings who lived here over 1,000 years ago. The reconstructed buildings and artifacts found here tell the story of these intrepid explorers and their journey across the Atlantic. It was the first European settlement in North America, founded by Vikings over 1,000 years ago. The site is incredibly well preserved, and walking through it feels like stepping back in time. You can see the remains of the original buildings, including longhouses and workshops, and learn about the daily lives of the Vikings who called this place home. It's a must-visit for history buffs and anyone interested in the early exploration of North America. You can visit the remains of their village and feel like you've traveled back in time. The Interpretive Center at L'Anse aux Meadows offers guided tours and exhibits that provide deeper insights into the Viking era. You can even try your hand at traditional Viking crafts and activities, making the experience both educational and fun. It's a unique opportunity to connect with a distant past in a very tangible way. Just remember, the Viking Trail can be far from cities and towns, so make sure you have enough gas, supplies, and a good map or GPS. This is a remote area, and services can be few and far between. It's important to be well prepared for your journey, especially if you plan to venture off the main road. Stock up on essentials, plan your route carefully, and always let someone know your travel plans. And most importantly, bring your sense of adventure. The Viking Trail is a place where the spirit of exploration is alive and well. Whether you're uncovering the secrets of ancient civilizations, marveling at natural wonders, or simply enjoying the journey, this trail promises an experience like no other. So pack your bags, hit the road, and get ready for an adventure to the edge of the world. Chapter 5. Gaspe Peninsula, Quebec Bonjour to Breathtaking Beauty. Finally, let's explore the Gaspe Peninsula in Quebec, where high cliffs meet the ocean, charming villages line the coast, and people speak French. This region is a hidden gem, offering a unique blend of natural beauty and cultural richness. The Gaspe Peninsula is a place where you can truly immerse yourself in the local way of life, experiencing the warmth and hospitality of the people who call this place home. Get ready for a road trip that's both beautiful and unforgettable. The scenic drives here are nothing short of spectacular, with winding roads that take you through lush forests, along rugged coastlines, and past picturesque villages. Every turn offers a new and breathtaking view, making the journey as enjoyable as the destination. Our adventure starts in Forillon National Park, a paradise for hikers, kayakers, and nature lovers. This park is a haven for outdoor enthusiasts, offering a wide range of activities that allow you to connect with nature in a profound way. Whether you're hiking through dense forests, kayaking along the coast, or simply taking in the stunning views, Forillon National Park is a place where you can truly appreciate the beauty of the natural world. Imagine hiking through forests to stunning coastal views, where the land meets the sea in a dramatic and awe-inspiring way. The trails here are well-maintained and offer a variety of difficulty levels, so whether you're an experienced hiker or just looking for a leisurely stroll, there's something for everyone. Kayaking with seals and whales, an experience that brings you up close and personal with some of the most majestic creatures of the ocean. The waters around the Gaspe Peninsula are teeming with marine life, and kayaking is one of the best ways to see it all. Imagine paddling alongside a pod of whales, or watching seals play in the water just a few feet away from you, or simply relaxing on the beach. The beaches here are pristine and offer a perfect place to unwind and soak up the sun. Whether you're looking to swim, sunbathe, or just enjoy the sound of the waves, the beaches of the Gaspe Peninsula are a perfect spot to relax and recharge. The Gaspe Peninsula also has some of the most delicious seafood you'll ever try, thanks to its location along the coast. The local cuisine is heavily influenced by the sea, and you'll find a wide variety of fresh and flavorful dishes that showcase the best of what the ocean has to offer. From fresh lobster and crab to scallops and mussels. These dishes are prepared with care and attention to detail, ensuring that every bite is a delight. Whether you're dining at a high-end restaurant or a casual seafood shack, you're in for a treat. And you have to try poutine à la viande fumée. It's French fries with gravy, cheese curds, and smoked meat. Trust me, it's amazing. This iconic Quebec dish is a must-try, and you'll find it served in many variations throughout the region. Each bite is a perfect blend of flavors and textures, making it a truly satisfying meal. Here's a tip. The Gaspe Peninsula is best explored slowly. Take your time to savor the sights and sounds of this beautiful region. The slower pace allows you to fully appreciate the natural beauty and cultural richness that the Gaspe Peninsula has to offer. Take your time, enjoy the scenery, and don't be afraid to wander. Stop at local markets where you can find fresh produce, handmade crafts, and unique souvenirs. These markets are a great place to experience the local culture and meet the people who make this region so special. Chat with the friendly locals, most speak English and French, and you'll find that they're more than happy to share their stories and recommendations. The people of the Gaspe Peninsula are known for their warmth and hospitality, and taking the time to connect with them can make your visit even more memorable. And embrace the joy of life that this region is known for. The Gaspe Peninsula is a place where you can truly relax and enjoy the simple pleasures of life. Whether you're exploring the great outdoors, indulging in delicious food, or simply taking in the stunning scenery, this region offers a perfect escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. And there you have it, 5 epic Canadian road trips that will amaze you. From the rocky shores of Nova Scotia to the high peaks of the Canadian Rockies, from the quaint villages of Newfoundland to the French-Canadian charm of the Gaspe Peninsula, Canada has something for everyone. So, what are you waiting for? Start planning your Canadian adventure today. And don't forget to pack your sense of adventure, your appetite for good food, and your camera to capture all the memories. Let us know in the comments which road trip you're most excited about. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel inspiration. Until next time, safe travels from your VueX.